This is another episode of Mr. Ola James TV at Number Sentences. Today we are considering ordering of fractions. One. Ordering of fractions. One. So what are we talking about? Physically looking, you cannot say which one is bigger. 5/7, which is 5/7, and 8/12, which is 8/12. You cannot say which one is actually bigger. Looking at it like this, then how will you be able to get to differentiate which one is bigger? Now, the instruction here is that we will be putting in the box less than, greater than, or equal to know which one is greater and which one is actually equal. Now, let's go. It's very simple mathematics. I bet you are going to enjoy this. Now, it's very simple. Now, to get the actual value of this area in respect of this one, to get the actual value of this fraction in respect of this fraction, what you do is you say 5 times 12. Now, 5 times 12 here will give you 60. Then to this side, we use 5 because 5 is on top here. So 5 this side. Now to use 8, 8 times 7, 8 times 7, 8 times 7. That will give you what? That will give you 56. 8 times 7 is 56. Now look at it. That means 60 is bigger than this. Then the arrow faces this side. Why? Because when you look at this shape, this is bigger than this side. So this is greater. So the greater part will be faced with this open-mouthed end. Now, open-mouthed end. Now, this is it. Are we understand? Are we getting what I'm trying to say now? So that is for that. That's how simple it is. You can't imagine this is very simple. Now let's look at the second one. Now 1 times 11. We are using 1 now, so we are talking about this side. 1 times 11. 1 times 11. This is actually 11. Now look at this one. 5 times 2. That is 5 times 2. That means when we are using the numerator, we are talking about that fraction. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is what? 10. So you can also see that this 1/2, as tiny as it looks, is bigger than 5/11. Wonderful. So we have this bigger. Now let's go to this one. This is very simple as well. Now we have 25. As soon as I pick the numerator 25, we should know we are talking about this fraction here. So 25 times 6. 25 times 6. For those of you that may be having issue on how to do this, that is to say 25 times 6. Quickly do that. This is 6 times 5, 30. You keep your 3 here. Then this will give you what? 12. 12 plus this one will give you 15. So we have our answer as 15 here. 150 rather. So this one now. You pick the 5 here. That is 5 times 33. Then you do the same thing. You do the same thing. If you do the same thing and you have done it very well, I think you will be getting 185 or 165. Let's do it to clear our doubts. 33 times 5. This will give us 15. Right? We have 1 here, and this one is 5 because it's 15. 1 we write 5. Now this one is 52. 15 plus 1 will give us 16. So that is 165. It is obvious now which one is bigger because this is bigger. 25 over 33. Smaller compared to 5/6. That is how fraction is. So you can't tell. You can ask me without this solution that which one is bigger. Everybody will want to pick this. But you have to do this to get that this is bigger. Now let's look at this one too. Let's look at. I am not saying that whenever you see the smaller ones like this, they are always bigger than the bigger ones. No, I am not saying that. Because here you can know this one is smaller, this one is bigger, but this one is bigger. And in real sense. When you look at the face value here, this one is smaller, this one is bigger, but this one is bigger in the real sense. And the same thing here, so I am not saying that. Let us continue. Now, 3/5. 3/5. And 18/30. Now, let's look which one is bigger. So you take your 3, you should not talk about this one. 3 times 30, and definitely this will give us 90. Then we go 18 times 5. 18 times 5, if you do it that way, you'll be getting something like 90. Wow, this is equal 90. This is equal 3/5 equals to 18 over 13. That is just the basic. It is simple. It is equal. Then you at home, please try number 5. And very soon you'll be thanking Mr. Olajins for doing this. Thank you. Bless you. Please make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. Press the notification button so that you can have you can be the first to receive our updates whenever we upload something like that. And I want to wish you happy open day. It is our open day. Thank you. God bless you.